Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix drive is not accessible. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your drive and you can see error, drive is not accessible, the volume does not contain a recognized file system. So I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open CMD. For that you just need to click on start menu, then type here CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. In this you need to type chk dsk space /f space. You need to write the drive letter. For example, if your drive which is not working, it is letter H, you can see here H or G, whatever drive it may be, you need to write this letter. Suppose I'll write H, then you need to type here H : and hit enter. After doing this, it will complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix drive is not accessible, the volume does not contain a recognized file system error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.